It's a big neighborhood for all those invertebrates in there.
Get the squat lobster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least 7 crinoids.
Slide the clip. Slide the bell clip.
So those are secret pens.
Yeah.
The G2s, if I
Okay,
remember.
let's try a polyp zoom here.
Polyp zoom eye. I don't see any polyps.
I don't see any polyps either.
They're there.
Oh, there.
Oh, there they go. Should I focus or just leave it like this?
This is great. We can see the rocks behind it.
Wow, where is
I
focus?
could just take my glasses off for that, Ed.
Oh, really? Oh, somebody's up there.
Shadow.
Ooh, nice.
Look at him.
Hello.
I don't think I've seen a squatty that close.
Look at him chowing down too. Is he
yummy.
eating polyps or what's he eating?
Well, let's see where. I think they just picked stuff out
Filtering?
of the.
Yeah, filter feeding. I don't know.
Cool. Let's go up this way.
Little one.
Yeah.
That's
Shrimp.
an awesome
And a shrimp.
shot.
And some
Crinoids.
crinoids.
Those yellow tentacles
Yeah.
are brittle star.
Or is that crinoid?
Are they part of the crinoid?
That's the Siri, the feet.
Okay.
And there's a brittle star
Grasshoppers.
just above
Looks
it.
like their feet are tied into knots.
Yeah.
Another squatty.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of life in this stony coral.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a refuge.
Yeah, I'll say.
It's a real delight to focus on.
Yeah, you're having a lot of fun, aren't you?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Somebody's up there.
He's got something in his pincher. Got a souvenir.
Wow.
Brittles tying together the two crinoids.
So it was a good zoom.
Yeah.